What the? What the hell is going on? Well, tell me the damn kick switch stand failed. I think it has. Oh, that's going to really piss me off. That's really going to piss me off. Sure as shit. Okay, I want you guys to see this shit. Oh, I broke it off completely now. This was attached to here, and it was set around this post. And it... Here. Anyway, it was set around... This was here, and it was set around this post. So as long as I got it up, this is called the neutral safety switch with the kickstand. Ain't this some bullshit? The guys on the website told me to fix that, but I thought, nah, hell, they probably got it fixed by now. They don't. So, now I'm going to go in and change that friggin' wiring. Went to the bread store, bought 2 loaves of bread and some, I don't know, whatever they are. And I come back out, I start the bike up. Put the kickstand up, I shift into gear, and it dies. Well, you saw all that. Okay. I think it's a Kawasaki thing. I don't know. I just didn't believe it. Well, now I believe it. What a piece of shit that is. But hey, I got a KLR. Keep Learning Repairs. Got you, Red. So I think I'll send this to Suburban Rider. Tell him to check out. God damn, he's way over in there fucking mud. He's gonna be pissed. Go ahead and check Lori Jennifer's bike. Because I'm sure they didn't change anything dramatically between hers and mine. They're both being 09s. That's some sweet shit. Okay, now that I think about it, remember when I was saying I gotta oil that kickstand? I kept saying that in the videos. Now I know what was going on. But I know the fix for it. So, yeah, that's definitely what it was.